Good morning students. Continuation of chapter 13, that is water. In previous class we discussed important role of water in our lives. Today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. They are fill in the blanks and true or false. Let's proceed ahead. First, we will discuss fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. Students, in this exercise, you are given help box. With the help of help box, you have to read carefully statements and fill in the suitable words. Let's see first number. Rain, rivers, lakes and wells are the sources of dash. What will correct answer? Correct answer is water. Rain, rivers, lakes and wells are the sources of water. Now coming second number. We cannot dash without water, and correct answer is live. We cannot live without water. Students, we have already discussed that water is essential for all living beings like animals, plants, human beings. Now coming third number. Water is used to put off dash. Correct answer is fire. Water is used to put off fire. Now coming next number. Plants and animals need water for their dash. Correct answer is survival. Plants and animals need water for their survivals. Now coming next exercise. Write T for true and F for false statements. Students, in this exercise you have to write true or false with each statements. First you will read statement, then with correct statement you have to write true, and with false statement you have to write false. Now let's see first number. River water is the only source of water. It is true statement or false statement? It is false statement. Students, we have already discussed that we get water from many sources like river, rain, lake, pond, sea. So, it is false statement and you will write false. Now coming second number. Animals can live without water. It is also a false statement. My dear students, we have already discussed that water is essential for all living beings like animals, plants, human beings. No one can live without water. So it is false statement. Animals cannot live without water. Now coming third number. Clouds do not bring us rain. It is also a false statement. Clouds bring us rain. So here also you will write false. Now coming fourth number. Water is used for painting. Yes, it is true statement. Water is used for painting. Now coming fifth number. Plants do not need water. It is also a false statement. Plants need water. So you will write here false. Now come in next number. Water is very useful to us. Yes, it is true statement. So here you will write true. Now today's home assignment. Learn and write these exercises. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.